My Lord, my name is Kenodia, Senior Counselor, a very bad and big lawyer from Kiambu. From where I start, my Lord, I'm very unfortunate by learned friends who came here and say that this election was defeated. Actually, my Lord, whichever way and however you see this case, it doesn't have even legs, because it was the matter of addition. There was no subtraction, there was no multiplication done, and there was no even division which was done. There was no cosine theta, tan theta, there was no logarithm, there was no even a square root, there was no matrices, there was no probability, there was no trapezium, there was no construction. We never even used geometrical set here. It was the matter of calculator. You add votes from this constituency to this constituency to this constituency. And my learned friend here, even I can laugh at them because I even wonder, have they even gone to school? A matter of addition, they don't know. Because everything was uploaded at IEBC portal. Every vote from every constituency was uploaded at IEBC portal. It was the matter of addition. My Lord, then what I say is this. This election was open. It was open like mouth, like somebody who is yawning. Yeah, because the portal was very open, everyone could enter there and look the votes which were entering from different constituencies, my Lord. Now, as I finish, Your Honor and my Lord, I will say this. This case does not have legs. It doesn't even have legs. It doesn't have even arms or arms. So, it is very unfortunate that these guys, my Lord and friend, brought this case here. And I say, and as I start here, I say, please, let us make William Samoei Arap Ruto President of Kenya and dismiss the other cases which my learned friend have brought here. Thank you, my Lord. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.